Hello, yes, and my dear friends. Here is your friend Mr. Koti Nageswar Rao. Welcome to my channel. Today, I have come up with one more very useful video. That is how to recover and restore the data from the pen drive when your pen drive got affected with virus. We all of us use pen drive to transfer the data from the pen drive to system or from system to pen drive, right? And usually we do mistake. We connect pen drive to the system and directly we used to open pen drive and copy the files from the system to pen drive or from the pen drive to system. So by knowingly or unknowingly, the virus may enter into our pen drive. If that particular system is having virus, so automatically it will be enter into your pen drive. Sometimes we may find some of the shortcut icons, right? And also some of the shortcut icons will be displayed in the name of your pen drive. Suddenly you may see that when you open your pen drive in your laptop or in other system, it shows only the shortcut icon in the name of your pen drive. And you can't see your files and the data which is having in your pen drive, right? And later you may realize and you may scan, but you couldn't able to get the information and you couldn't able to retrieve your data back. So in such a case, how can we recover and restore the data? Let us see the steps. So before going to see the steps, I would like to request you all, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get the notifications. Here I'm going to show you two methods which can help you to recover your data from the pen drive. And here I have connected my pen drive to laptop. This was the pen drive and its drive name is H drive. Like you can see here, C drive, D drive, E drive. And this was the pen drive which I have connected and its drive name is H drive. So earlier, this pen drive is also got affected with virus. When I open my pen drive, so I'm able to see here only one shortcut icon, which is having only 1 KB. 1 KB means there is no data at all. But when I tried to open that file, even I couldn't able to see my files. It was just showing one error message. And when I go back and when I saw my pen drive, it was occupied with the data. So how can we recover our data in the pen drive when it is affected with virus? So let us see the steps. So first you need to open the browser, and in the browser, you just type the drive name, that is H drive, colon, and /. You just click enter. And now you can able to see here, there are two folders are visible. You just click on the folder. Now, this is the complete data which I'm having in my pen drive. Actually, this is the data which I have. But when I open my pen drive, it was not showing anything. But so here you can able to see all the data which you are having already. So here I can able to download this, all the files. So just right click on it. You'll get the list of options. In that, you just click on save link as. Just click on save link as. And you can save your data on desktop. Just click on desktop and click save. Now you can see at the bottom left side, the files. This file is got downloaded. So let me check whether it is downloaded or not. Yes, you can see this was the file, the audio file. It is already downloaded. So let me check the another file. For example, this PPT file. Just right click, save link as, and click save. Now you can see even the PPT file also got downloaded, and you can check it on a desktop. So now you can see here the files which I have downloaded, it is restored. So this is one method to restore your data. Then the another method which I'm going to show you to recover your data, you just in the search box, you just type command prompt, and you can see you need to open the command prompt. Just click on command prompt, and here you need to type the drive name, that is H drive, colon, and just enter. And you need to type attrib, ATTRIB space hyphen H space hyphen R space hyphen S space slash S space slash D space drive name his drive colon backward slash asterisk dot asterisk. Then click enter. Then afterwards, you can go to the pen drive. You can check your data will be restored. So in this way, you can restore your data by following these commands. So hope you all have got good information and very useful information. When your pen drive got affected with virus, how can we restore and recover your data? So hope this can be very helpful to you all. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on bell icon to get the notifications. Thank you. Have a nice day.